Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to go over my 3 favorite stretches or movements for pain or stiff neck. So the first option is just rolling your shoulder blades. We're going to take in a seated position, we're going to roll our shoulder blades up towards our ears, out as far as we can, down towards the floor, towards the spine, and then repeat. Again, you want to make it low tension and as big a range of motions as you can. And we'll do 6 to 8 in this direction. And again, make sure you ride as far as you can up and out and down. And again, there should be no like tensing, it should be low load and just range of motion is whatever you can tolerate. And then we're going to do the opposite direction. Then again, out as far as you can, up towards your ears, towards your spine, down towards the floor. And again, as big a circumferences as you can, but this should be low load and very tolerable. If it's intense or you feel like you're really stretching hard, you need to kind of relax. And at no point should your whole body either be tensing, you should be grimacing, or at any point holding your breath. At this point, please like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications. And the next option is we're going to add a little bit of load. So getting on the floor with your forearms on the ground and your knees, again, we're going to roll our shoulders up and out and down and in. And again, this should be light to moderate load, and we're not tensing or holding our breath. We're just trying to create range of motion in our neck and shoulder blades. Typically, people respond well to 4 to 6 reps of 1 to 2 sets, but again, tailor it to your current symptom levels and fitness levels. And then once we do the other direction, we're going to go the opposite direction. So go out, up towards your spine, down, out, up towards your spine. And see how I constantly am moving? I'm not holding it or tensing. This is really more about motion than stretching. And again, it should be low load, and you should easily be able to talk to it or through it, and it shouldn't be too intense. And then cervical CAR. So what we're going to do is think about drawing a big circumference at the top of our head. So think of there's a pencil or pointer on the top of your head and try to make the biggest circle you can. So we're going to bring our chin down towards our sternum and then roll our head to the left, bring it back as far as you can, and then bring it down to the right, and then return to the starting position. And we'll do this 2 or 4 times in this direction. Again, tailor it to your current symptoms, but you're trying to just use range of motion and just loosen your neck up in a low load environment. Once we do it several times in this direction, we'll return to the starting position, and then we're going to go back, down to the right, bring your chin down, far to the left as you can, look up towards the ceiling, and again, you're trying to make this a light, easy motion more than a stretch. At no point should you be forcing it, or again, grimacing, holding your breath, or tensing. We're just trying to make motion in the joints. And again, to the right as far as you can, down, and then return to the starting position. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check out our other videos.